Welcome to your Wellness by Jasmine oil tip of the day from beautiful Kensington Palace in London. Today, because I'm in the sunken garden, let's talk really fast about gardening with essential oils. You don't need to use oils just for you and your family. They're perfect for your garden. So if you're trying to attract pollinators, try essential oils like lavender or helichrysum or neroli. Neroli is irresistible for bees, and we know we need more bees in our gardens. If you are besieged by little insects and vermin, peppermint oil is going to be your best friend. You can use peppermint oil to help get rid of aphids, ants, also get the vermin out of your garden, like the rodents and rats and squirrels. So the things that like to eat all of the stuff we plant. And if you are besieged by fungal growth, tea tree oil is going to be another essential oil that you're going to love for your garden. So if you want to learn how to use garden oil specifically for your needs, send me an email at wellnessjasmine@gmail.com or leave me a comment here in this post, and I will see you soon. Bye.